Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to create the screw for the screw jack assembly. Okay, let us see how to do that. So before that, let us see the front view of the given screw. As you can see, this is the front view and they have given the dimensions of that one. Okay, look at the dimensions. Now let us go for the solid edge ST7, select isometric part option. So once you select that, you will enter this window and switch on the base reference frames so that it is easy for you to select. Directly go for a sketch and I will select the front plane because they have given the front view of the screw. Let us draw the axis, okay, and roughly draw the front view of the given screw. So only half portion is enough because as we are using revolve extrusion, so we will get the full screw. Go for smart dimension, give the dimension of that one. Okay, and they have given the dimensions. So look at this M12. So diameter is 12 mm. So we are going to create only half portion. Let us give the radius. It should be 6 mm. Then go for smart dimension again. Give the head thickness. Screw head thickness they have given 6 mm. Then shank length. The shank length is 24 mm. Okay. So after this, let us check once again. So these are the dimensions and you can see head diameter is 24 mm. So head diameter 24 mm. So you need to draw only half of that one, that is the radius. It is 12 mm. Let us enter 12 mm here. Okay, enter 12. So once you complete this one, you can see here. So after completing this, just close the sketch. Okay, look at the dimensions once again before closing. Just click on close once you verify. So click on finish, go for revolve option in the solid edge ST7. Select the sketch, accept it, so which you want to revolve, then select the axis. So revolve it for complete 360-degree rotation. You will get the screw here like this. Now go for cut option. So in order to rotate the screw, we need to have a slot for the seating of screwdriver. Okay, let us go for the rectangle by center point, then give the dimensions. And depth of that slot should be 3 mm and width of the slot is 2.4 mm, which they have given in the top view of the screw. So that you can see here. So I will open that sketch. You can see here. So in the top view it is clearly mentioned 2.4 mm is the width. So then it should be symmetric. So you can check the dimension once again. From the center axis it should be 1.2 mm on the other side. Close the sketch and do the cutout. Okay, finish. So you can see here this is a slot for screwdriver seating. Okay, now and this portion should be chamfered. Okay, so for the easy movement you need to make a chamfer this edge. Go for round option, select chamfer, select the edge and enter the value. They have not mentioned, let us say 2 mm. Enter 2 mm, press enter, click on finish. So you will get this chamfer. Okay, and they have created the threads on the shank portion. So let us create the thread. For that, go for hole option, select the thread, standard isometric, type standard, and the diameter should be nominal diameter. Okay, so click on OK, select the shank, the surface where you need to create the thread, and select the edge. There is no offset they have given. Directly you can generate the thread, click on finish. Okay, you will get the threads here. So you can see here. And one more thing, as I have created the head diameter for 24 mm. Okay, so that is 12 mm radius. Let us increase this to 13 mm. So why I am increasing this one, I will tell later. You can see here instead of 24 mm, I have creating 26 mm diameter head of the screw. Let us go for revolve cut. Before that, go for sketch. So let us select the front plane. Then I will just enclose the edge of that screw head, which is 1 mm, which I have drawn extra 1 mm. Okay, instead of 12 mm radius, I have drawn 13. So let us enclose that 1 mm extra portion here. So I need to remove that one because we don't want the sharp edge. So to avoid that sharp edge, we need to create extra 1 mm, and later you can remove that 1 mm using revolve cut option. Okay, so if you go for the revolve option, select the sketch, accept it, and it will ask for the radius, sorry, axis. So axis which I have not created. Okay, let us create the axis first, later we can revolve this easily. Okay, so how to create it? So let us go for the sketch again, the same sketch, let us alter it, select the sketch 2, go for edit option, go for line options, let us create the axis. Okay, now close the sketch, go for revolve cut. Directly I will go for the revolve cut here. You can see here revolve cut, select from the sketch, this is a sketch I want to revolve, accept it, then it will ask for the axis, that is the line which I have created, select it and revolve it for 360 degree. As you can see here, the sharp edge is gone. Okay, then you will get a flat one, you can see here. So this is how you need to create the screw for the screw jack assembly. Okay. Let us see the views. As you can see here, this is the front view, back view, left view, right view, top, and the bottom view, diametric, isometric, as well as trimetric views. So friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe for our channel. Okay, and share with your friends so that I will upload more and more videos. Thank you friends, thank you for the support.